Hello, and today we're doing a quick little video about a change that is coming to Etsy on July 25th. So starting July 25th, they're changing something about when you go in to add a listing on Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and say add a listing here, and I'm just going to throw up uh, a image here just as a test to show you what I'm talking about. So there's an image. I'll put in a description or a title. Come down here. I do embroidery design, so now the next thing that you will see after you do your occasion or your holiday is the renewal options, automatic and manual. Right now, there's nothing selected, and you have to actually go in and select one. It makes you do this before you can activate your listing. Starting on July 25th, 2019, it is going to default to an automatic renewal. It doesn't matter whether it's a physical item, a digital item, it doesn't matter. So if you only have one of an item and can't reproduce, like if you have a vintage item or you made something out of a piece of fabric that you only can make one out of that specific fabric, you need to go in and mark it as manual. Otherwise, it will automatically renew and somebody may order it and you may not be able to fulfill it. So I just wanted to give you that heads up so that you'll be on the lookout for this to be auto-populating, and you need to keep in mind that you are going to have to set it to manual. So just wanted to do that quick little video, give you a heads up. Hopefully now you can start training yourself to look and make sure that it's set to manual and not just accept a default. So have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.